What's up, everybody? Logan here. NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're gonna be diving down into what is known as Battle Infinity. So, if you're new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification, and you will be updated with upcoming videos also. So I was discussing with project owner and we decided to introduce this platform in front of my community. So let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So do it with your own research, study this platform, and if you think you can generate the best return, so you can join that. So plenty of options are available on a single platform, and you can stake also, you can buy also, how you can buy Battle Infinity tokens. So each and everything is mentioned in this platform, so please don't miss any part of this project, because in next 10 minutes I will guide you how you can join that, how you can stake. So it's so simple, and it's one of the most top listed project ever in 2024. So here you can see ambassador program is live, join refer program and earn 5% today. So you can send to your friends and family and refer your link, and you can generate best return from there also. So here you can see, guys, the details are mentioned. You can see the products detail, tokenomics, roadmap, and how you can buy that. So network you use BNB and Binance, you can see here, and how to start Trust Wallet, and how you will start your Trust Wallet. You can open your Trust Wallet or MetaMask. So next I will show you how you can swap. So it's very important to tell you how you can swap. If you have one BNB, so let's see how much you can get from here. So you can see here the total value equal to, you can see here. Okay, so with one BNB you can buy 2000248 Battle Infinity, right? So next, if you scroll down a bit, so I will show you the more details available. And next, as soon you will see here on minting, you can see crypto dots and all places you will see very soon. Okay, next about Battle Infinity. So information is given, and it's really important to study each and everything, because it's the matter of investment. So take your time, join their community, and even join their community, you will become the member of their community, and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So here you can see the Battle Infinity, a gaming platform where our ecosystem hosts multiple P2P battle games integrated with the metaverse world called the Battle Arena. And so in Battle Infinity world, gamer are not only able to play and battle, but also enjoy the immerse and the experience in the metaverse world and the battle arena. You can interact, perform, and watch, explore, and more in virtual world. So by playing here, and you can see here, it's a play to earn, so you can experience, you can get more information from here. So you can join the links also. Right here you can see the Telegram and Discord, Twitter, and YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. So all links are mentioned in the description, so I will post all the links, and if you have any questions, so you can approach, and you can get more information regarding that. Okay, here you can see the $IBAT battle staking live, so user can stake their holdings and depositing and locking them for a period of time. एंड यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि आप इसको इजी तरीके से बाय भी कर सकते हैं, और आप इजी तरीके से इसको यहाँ से सेल भी कर सकते हैं. Staking is a perfect option for you, and when you stake, so आप stake के जरिए काफ़ी कुछ generate यहाँ से कर सकते हैं, right? Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, Battle Swap Live, तो यहाँ पे a decentralized exchange that works like a bank on our platform. तो यहाँ पे आप जो है decentralized exchange को यूज़ करते हुए swap कर सकते हैं. So it's a best option for you. Next, अब यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं गाइस, आपको फैंसी स्पोर्ट्स की डिटेल मिलेगी, जहाँ पे प्रीमियर लीग होंगी, जिसमें आप इसी तरीके से उसमें भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. And next I will show you the battle games. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं battle multiple games store games on our platform and gains access to multiple NFT based on games and play to earn. Player can buy and sell their gaming assets. So it's a perfect idea. At that place you can buy and sell your assets also. So it's easy for you. And next you can see guys better market. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कि tokenized digital goods available on the internet such as music and artwork and can take from of one NFT. So यहाँ से आप इस तरीके से ये भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. टोकन को यूज़ करने के लिए आप BEP721 जो नेटवर्क है उसको आप यूज़ करेंगे. ओके नेक्स्ट नीचे अगर आप चले जाएं तो आपको मज़ीद इंफॉर्मेशन बैटल एरिना इट्स कमिंग सून गाइस. सो ये भी आप नेक्स्ट आप देख सकेंगे. ओके द हार्ट ऑफ द इकोसिस्टम. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इस टोकन effectively remove all the boundaries between traditional and gaming, the metaverse and blockchain and connecting the both. तो ये दोनों चीज़ों को merge करने में जो है उनकी कोशिश है. नेक्स्ट आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं स्मार्ट चेन नेटवर्क जो है based on BEP20 protocol. So it's the respectatory value of assets and objects and characters and etc. and on the game platform. Next if you scroll down, so you will see here why choose this, because there are plenty of benefits available behind that. That's why this is among one of the most 10 powerful projects. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते safe and secure. So the first priority is the safety and security. Next you can see the 50% transaction is allocated on the global staking pool. Next strong based on established and multiple social media platform and contributing to continuous growth जो है इसकी इस प्रोजेक्ट की. एक्स्ट्रा बेनिफिट्स फॉर स्टेकर्स. सो आप स्टेकर्स के लिए जो है वो काफ़ी सारा बेनिफिट है. यहाँ पे नीचे आप चले जाएं तो डेवलपमेंट ऑफ एडॉप्शन एंड इकोसिस्टम की डिटेल आपको यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है, तो वो भी आप इधर से देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इकोनॉमिक्स लेट्स सी कि यहाँ पे BEP20 इसका नेटवर्क है एंड 10 बिलियन टोटल सप्लाई है और यूटिलिटी टोकन है. नेक्स्ट आप नीचे चले जाएँ तो आपको मज़ीद इन्फॉर्मेशन भी आपको यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड होगी. Okay, here you can see private sale 2.5, 10.5 team allocation, 6% liquidity, 5% जो है इसकी advisor and legal team, 28% pre-sale. And next you can see 20% founder partners and 10% is foundation and development. And next 18% is marketing and CSS listing. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं the total जो maximum supply of dollar IBAT की क्या है वो है 10,000,000,000,000. It's mean 10 billion. Tokens are based on BEP20 smart contract standard and run on the Binance smart chain. So यहाँ पे आपको इसकी information भी मैंने आपको provide कर दी. Here's the roadmap. As far as the roadmap is concerned, you can see here the research on Web3 gaming and metaverse, an idea on contemplations. Next आप see more, आप मज़ीद भी information यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. Website development की detail भी आपको यहाँ पे available है. Next आप website launch इसकी कब होगी उसकी detail भी आपको provide है. ओके ये सारी जो है आप इस तरीके से टोकनॉमिक्स की डिटेल यहाँ से ले सकते हैं. प्रेस न्यूज़ इफ़ यू वांट टू सी द मोर इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग दैट stay touch with them. And here you can see the press releases are available and you can see lots of information will be there regarding this platform. Okay, next यहाँ पे आप powered by they have a very strong partners community who will backing up this platform. Binance, you can see Solidarity and Unreal and you can see Blender. So they are all strong partners and looks to me this project can achieve the place it deserves. So next आप नीचे चले जाएं तो आपको get in touch. If you have any question you can mail them and ask your question and you will be updated as soon as possible. And in the end, once again I'm requesting please join their links, which is very important to join the links and you will be updated with upcoming news also. So this is the detail about that and how you can buy that. It's so simple. You can easily buy from here, connect your wallet and you can easily buy from here, right? So आप यहाँ से वैलेट कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. मेटामास्क आपके पास अवेलेबल है तो मेटामास्क आप कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एट द मोमेंट यू कैन सी द प्राइस इज 0.00026. इट्स a perfect idea to buy now because as things are moving and market is pumping up, so I'm sure you can generate the best return. सो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं इसकी लिक्विडिटी, नेक्स्ट आप देख सकते हैं इसका वॉल्यूम, और यहाँ पे आप इसका जो है नेक्स्ट वॉल्यूम आप यहाँ से भी चेक कर सकते हैं। ओके, नेक्स्ट का इस नीचे चले जाएं तो आपको सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड है, ऑलरेडी जिन्होंने होल्ड किया उसकी डिटेल भी आपको यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड है। सो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ मेंशन, सो यू नीड नॉट वरी अबाउट एनीथिंग। सो आप यहाँ से पूरी तरह सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं। यू कैन ज्वाइन द डिस्कॉर्ड एंड यू कैन बिकम द मेंबर ऑफ द कम्युनिटी। इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू because when you are investing, so it's your responsibility to verify each and everything. They have 3,463 member and online 354. So next आपको जो है information मैं देता चलो यहाँ पे Twitter. So let's see how much detail they have on Twitter. So it's very important to visit that. तो यहाँ पे आप इसको भी visit कर सकते हैं और मज़ीद information यहाँ से आप ले सकते हैं। Okay. यहाँ पे they have a very strong community on Twitter, 21.5k followers they have, and lots of information is given, and you will be briefly understand when you click on Twitter and get more information regarding this platform, right? So I will mention all the details in description, and if you have any questions, so please don't hesitate to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding this platform. So आप सारी information जो है आप मुझसे ले सकते हैं. So this is all over. Once again I'm requesting, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. So we will meet our next video. Till then, bye bye.